Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch YouTube TV in a split screen on your iPhone. Let's get started. iPhone does not support true split screen multitasking. That means you can't have two full apps side by side like an iPad. But the good news is your iPhone does support picture-in-picture, also known as PIP, which lets you watch YouTube TV in a small window while using other apps. Go ahead and open the YouTube TV app on your iPhone and start playing the show or movie or live channel you want to watch. Once a video is playing, look for the picture-in-picture icon. It usually looks like a small rectangle inside a bigger rectangle. Tap that button. If you don't see it, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen to go back to your home screen. When you do that, the video will automatically shrink into a little window. Now you will see your YouTube TV video floating on your screen. You can drag it to any corner. You can also pinch the window to fingers to make it bigger or smaller. This lets you use other apps like Messenger, Safari or Notes while still watching your show. When you want to go back to full screen, just tap the video once and press the full screen icon. This will bring you right back into YouTube app. Remember, this works only when picture-in-picture is enabled in settings. To double check, go to settings, then general, then picture-in-picture and make sure it's turned on. And that's it. That's the easiest way to get a split screen live experience with YouTube TV on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.